Hello dear students, myself Professor Munshik, and today we will see a protest simulation. So let's visit the protest file. Okay, so we will click here. So here is our protest project. Okay, so we are using many components here, you can see. So we will see one by one. So first we will see Arduino Uno. So here is the Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is the brain of the system. Okay, it is responsible to handle all the process like PD calculation, taking the set data from sensor, sending the data to LCD, okay, and many other things. So it is responsible to handle all the things. Okay, and the second most important part is we are using a 16 cross to LCD here. It is responsible to display the current temperature of heater and the setting temperature that we require. So we will see it in the further video. Okay, and the this is a heater driver module. As you know, in PADI system we need to control voltage and current to get the desired temperature. Okay, so using this IC we will set the current and voltage to get the desired level. Okay, and here is the heating element. As you know, because the project title name is heater PID controlled heater, so we are using heating element here. Okay, and we are providing the temperature data to analog pin using, you can see here, to Arduino Uno, and it is a voltage divider. Okay, to control the current and amount of current passing to analog channel A0. Okay, and here is the H2 and H1 pin, and it is coming from heater driver module. Okay, so don't be confused. And then after you can see these are the buttons. As you know, it is a PID controlled system, so in this way we need to provide the value we want to set. Okay, so using this button we can increase and decrease the values of temperature, and we will see it in the demo. Okay, and here is the battery, 12 volt battery. So heater requires a lot of current, so to fulfill that when we are using a 12 volt battery here. Okay, battery provides us as much as a current amount according to our need, so that's why we are using battery here. Okay, so as you know, protest simulation required hex file. So to extract hex file we will visit to Arduino code. So here is the Arduino code, and we will compile it. So, and remember one important thing, that before compiling it, uh, select the proper board. So we are using Arduino Uno, so we have selected it here. Okay, and just compile it. We are compiling the software because we required hex file location. And okay, so compilation has done and hex file has created. So here is the location of hex file. Okay, so we will copy this path. We have selected it. Now we will press Ctrl C, and now we will visit to protest simulation, and now we will double tap on Arduino Uno. Okay, so here you can provide the location of hex file. So just click on it and press Ctrl A to select all, and now to paste the new link. Okay, the location of hex file, press Ctrl V. Okay, and you can also set it manually by using clicking on this folder look symbol. Okay, and after selecting all, press OK. So all the settlement has done, and now we can run this simulation. Okay, so by pressing here, so you can see project name is appearing. Okay, heater PID control system. Okay, then after we will start the operation. So you can see it requires 3 seconds. Okay, so you can see heater has started, and this is the current temperature, actual temperature of heater, and this is the temperature we want to set. So we will press here to change it, and for demo purpose we will set it to 30. On each press you will get the increment of 2. Okay, so remember it, and you can also see on the screen. See, now you can see clearly. We will press here, again tapping it, again tapping it. And remember one thing, that we are using PID control system here, so automatically it come to the this set point. Okay, so set point is 26 degrees C, and we will wait for it, and you can see the current temperature is 32, and it must reach come to here 26, because it is a PID control system. So as you can see, it is decreasing slowly to reach to 26. Okay, see, temperature is decreasing, and you can also see heater is on. See, heater is on, and our system is trying to reach to 26 degrees C. So you can see heater temperature is slightly decreasing. Okay, so see, it means our project is working fine, because it has reached to nearly 26 degrees C, which is our goal. So again we will test it by setting a new set point. Okay, so using this button we will again increase it to 40. Okay, so you can see on the LCD screen. Okay, see, we have set it around 41. Okay, so see, this is automatically increasing, because it is trying to reach to this level. Okay, so you can see it has reached, and now it will try to maintain on the set point. You can see 43, and now it will reduce it to reach to 41. Okay, so somehow there are some little error of 1 to 2 degrees C, so that is a considerable. Okay, that is depend upon our PID values. Okay, so see, it is decreasing slowly to reach 41. It means our project is working fine. Okay, and thank you so much for watching the video. We have many other videos on our YouTube channel. Please also watch those videos. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. We will see you in next video. Take care.